Hello, everyone. Oh my. Okay, sorry. Mm. Okay. So we're here on the Daily Spin. Today is not gonna really be a adventure video, just cause I kind of do way too many of those. Also I kind of rather just try something new. And yes, I'm on my very laggy flamingo. Oh, sorry. Okay, so if you guys didn't know, I'm gonna start trying to do like Halloween dress ups. Oh my gosh. Also, I found like a weird glitch on the kangaroo, like the green ring paw thing looks black. Okay, so this is my Halloween look. I know I look very scary. That's the point. Yep. Yeah. Uh, Feel free to check out my gallery. Oh yeah, I'm like member for 13 days because I want to get that new member bundle. Also, here's some of my new art. It's called a demon horse. I know it kind of sucks. I'm trying new stuff, guys. Well, all I'm sorry. I really just have a frog in my throat today. Blah. Okay, so half the time when I get discouraged about my art, all I tell myself is that I just have a different style, as you can see. I just have a different style, and with practice comes greatness, I guess. I don't know. I've been delaying on this because I suck at dogs, and I'm not gonna do this today. I just want to show you my sketch to Belle's puppy. Um, oh, I swear I do not know half of these friends. Like probably 816 of my friends. I just do not know. I went through this stage of when I was first in Animal Jam. I just bite all these rare people, and that was super dumb of me. And nowadays, I do not. Wow, you just had to interrupt my coughing. I want to be alone for my disease. Okay, I think I. Nope. Okay, the frog's still in my throat, but. Yeah. So, today is just gonna be kind of a random video, on how weird I am. So, one of the things of how weird I am, and I'm doing this because, like, look at all this. This is just so weird. I'm weird. Yeah, my voice is weird, obviously. Okay, so, one of the things, sorry if I'm shying, one of the things that I am really weird about is that I cannot have any junk items. Okay, so I know this is some of my junk, but this is my look. I mean, come on. And also, I kind of like egg cuffs. Egg cuffs? Yep, just put eggs on your feet and call them egg cuffs. Okay. So I have this problem. Like, it's a disease. I will spread it to you if you want. I just cannot handle any store-bought items at least. And I did buy these just because I kind of needed one for adventures. And this is my Halloween look, so afterwards I am going to be trading them off for clothing bays. Jeez. Sorry for that frog. Okay. You like, half the time I don't even have a lot of stuff, and I will be trading these away. Okay. So I do this thing, this is how I get rare, JK, I'm like broke. Oh. I can't believe I just said JK. I'm so weird. Okay. JK, everyone! Okay, so I have this problem within my heart. I have. Oh my gosh. I know I'm a horse, but I don't want to do that. I'm not a horsey gal. I have this thing. Oh. I have this thing with literally everything that I own besides art. That I like. If I buy something from the store, you know what? I am like. I love my new computer, but sometimes this is just so annoying. Like, it's not laggy in Adventures, which is good. I do not want a laggy computer in Adventures, but it's just laggy everywhere else. Like, I mean, I don't know. I mean, look at this. So, if I were to buy these beautiful wings, later on, I would literally get stressed out, sweat, and probably have a heart attack. Because I'd be like, I don't want my inventory, I don't want to lose space when I literally just have like 104 items. I was like, what? So yeah, that's one of the things. Also, same with den items. What do I have? I am super proud of all these items. I am a beta, mainly, promo hoarder. I mean, even ask Bells. Also, if you don't know what I mean, I'm gonna ask you, please be more Pacific, everyone. And if you don't get it, that's sad. Also, if you guys didn't know, I have I have two horses. This is one of one. I know it's very bad. I just put in all these colors and smeared it. This one's, my name is, her name is Hadassah. That's the name that I couldn't say if you're watching this right now, Bells, but, her name is Hadassah, which means lost treasure. And then Lakota is a car name, so, hello Lakota, you're a car. Oh my gosh, this video was like, going nowhere. Okay, so another thing that I'm weird at, friends? I don't know. Roxy. Also, I type very slow. I don't do that thing where I can look at the screen and just type. I'm one of those people who peck. But I can be really fast when Roxy the dog 11, but I will. Are you joking me? Okay. This is legit. Legit! My best friend. My very first one, anyway. She did quit, and I actually talked to her offline. We were very weird together, and we still kinda are, if you know what I mean. Oh, I just saw bells. I'm very weird with my friend APD. This is my friend from school. Oh my gosh. This is my beautiful art from literally when I first joined. 11 likes? Are you joking me? Yeah, she has some beautiful art as well. Ah! Okay, so another thing that I am. You know, let's just. Why? I'm so done with my life. Ooh, just face slapping myself right now. And also, in general, my personality is just like weird. I am naturally weird, but I am very shy if I, real life scenario. I am very weird. Not on Animal Jam because, I'm not actually seeing people face to face. I'm a hacker, guys. So, my personality is just, oh, you know what? Let's just play Sky High because I'm like the best. Okay, so my personality is generally very weird, and I love how this horse will jump. Okay. My personality is very weird. Everything about me is like weird, but I'm that good kind of weird. I'm like the class clown, almost. I just can't beat this one boy in my class right now. Okay, so something else. I'm weird when oh, I do this thing when I am bored. I'll do it right now. Okay, so once upon a time there was a horse jumping on clouds, cause why not? Okay, wait. Once upon a time there was a horse jumping on clouds, and the lag was just unbearable. Because he wanted to reach a chest, and one day he was thinking, why am I doing this? I'm gonna like die of lag. And then he did. Sooner or later. And then I just like tell a story in my mind, like I'm role playing in my mind. It's so weird. You know, it never does it. So, you know what, I'm so done. I actually win that first try half the time. So, I'm not a noob. I don't even know what that. See, what is up with my computer? I swear, if. You know, I am literally so done right now. I probably need to update my flipping computer. Okay. Okay, now let's go to Adventure Base Camp. Okay, so crud. Okay, let's just say this is my main look. Like my main. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I am amazing. Don't move, woman. Don't move. I just assumed your gender. I am sorry. Okay. Don't you dare. Load for me. Okay, all you gotta do is pick. Why isn't my thing showing? All I do is pick scissors. I'm like the master at this. One more time, y'all. She probably knows my tricks. Yep, she knew what I was gonna do. No! I'm not. Also, yeah, that's weird about me. I get very triggered. Okay, so whenever here's another weird thing. Whoever trolls me, I will troll you back with my blue headdress. I'm like, I get so. I'm so poor. When I look at other people's trade lists, and I realize I'm making no progress in life right now with the rarity system. Okay, as I was saying, I am super weird. Like, if you troll me, I will literally troll you back. Try me. Try me. Because I, like, get so triggered, I'm like, seriously? And then I hunt you down, and then yeah. This video's still not good. Well, I'll see you guys later. Yeah, bye.